Hi, welcome to my channel. That's crazy. As always, I have my African Grey parrot Lelu here with me. And in today's video, I kind of wanted to show you guys how I got my bird to play fetch. This here I got from parrotwizard.com. I will leave a link down in the description so you guys can go check that out. He's got amazing products and whatnot. So I've already worked with her on playing fetch, so she actually already will do it with this ball, but not with this ball. She's actually kind of scared of this one, and she's not too sure, what to think about it. But let me just demonstrate what we've gotten so far. So get Lelu right here. Lelu. You want the ball?
Hello.
You want the ball? Go get it. Oh, you dropped it. Good job. Want the ball? Go get it. Good job. As you guys can see, she's already pretty good about going ahead and getting the ball. Lelu, want the ball? Go get it. Bring it here. Good job. Lelu, want the ball? Go get it. Bring it back. Good job. So she wasn't good about getting the ball at first. She was actually scared of it. So that's why I use the target training and get her used to the ball. And I'll kind of demonstrate that with this ball here because she's kind of scared of that ball. Thank you. Ready?
Hello.
Want the ball again? Bring it here. Good job. Okay. Get the ball. Bring it here. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to see if she'll fetch this ball. I doubt it, but let's see what happens. Get the ball. Yeah, she's not going to go for it. So, this is what I did to first get her used to this ball. Target training. As always. This is part of the reason why I think target training is so important. Just get her to come over here and touch the end of the stick. Right up next to the ball. I'm going to move a little closer. Now we'll see if she'll actually pick it up. Oh, she did. Good. Let's keep working with her on that then. I'm going to put the target training down. The only issue that I saw is when she picked it up, she kind of tried to throw it, and it's kind of an aggressive behavior. She did the same thing with this ball at first. So what I did was I just would put it next to her, and as soon as she stopped throwing it, I would click and then give her a treat. See how she pushed it away? She was acting a lot more aggressive to the other ball when I first started doing this, but it's still pretty similar to the same behavior. Alright, she's not going for it. Let's see. Pick it up. Okay. So the reason why I clicked, it's because she picked it up and held it for a minute. She didn't try to throw it or anything like that. So we'll see if we can't get her to pick it up again. It's right here. There you go. Nope. Yeah, I don't want her to throw it. So she only gets a treat if she does not act aggressive towards it. And if she holds it for a minute without throwing it. So just like that. That was perfect. See if we can't do it again. Let's see if I can't get her to bring it to me. Nope, that's fine. That is perfectly fine. Can I have it? Good, awesome. She's definitely picking up on it a lot quicker, obviously, because she's already kind of understand the concept. It's just a different ball. But let's see if I can't get her to actually fetch it now. I'm not going to roll it all the way across the table. I'm just going to slightly roll it over. See if she'll pick it up. Oh, she kicked it a little further. It's also a lot harder for her to use because it only has one hole in it, where this one has lots of holes for her to grab with her beak. So she's just got to figure it out. Good. Bring it here. Perfect. Yeah, like I said before, she's picking up on this a lot quicker. When you try to do it for the first time, it's not going to look like this. It's going to take a lot more repetitions to get them used to it. But get the ball. Oh, fell off the table. Try again. Go get the ball. Yeah, she's there. Perfect. Can I have it, the ball? Good job. All right.
Hello.
Let's roll it all the way across the table. All right, bring it here, Lelu. Can I have it? She didn't want to give it up that time. She wanted to just play with it. Okay. Lelu, want to try again? Go get it. Bring it here. Bring it here, Lelu. Can I have the ball? Can I have the ball? You want blueberry? Can I have it? Good job. Well, as you guys can see, Lelu's doing a fantastic job, as always. And you guys might be wondering, too. I have this. Has Lelu tried to put the basket in the hoop? The answer is no. I haven't started working with her with that yet because I wanted to get her to fetch first. But if you guys want, I will make a video of me teaching her to put the ball in the basket. If you want me to make that video, make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know, and we'll definitely make that happen. You want to go after the ball again? Bring here. Well, I think that'll do it for the video today. Again, if you want to see her actually put the basketball in the hoop and how I would train that, make sure you leave a comment. And that should do it for the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any other videos that I post. Until next time, we'll see ya.